So everyone knows that the journey to becoming a lawyer is long and winding, but let me break it down to you in simple steps. So step one is pass school, matric, right? That's the most basic of steps. The next one is getting into law school and cracking 4 to 5 years of either the BA law, BCom law, or 4 year straight LLB route. A lot of people place emphasis on what grades they get, and I'm of the opinion that more important than grades, it's about expanding your network during those times. Doing internships, vacation work is really important. Nonetheless, you finish up with law school, get that golden certificate, and now you enter the workforce. The job's not done yet. The next thing you need to do is get your legal practice number from the Legal Practice Council. You need to do this within the first few weeks in order to officially start your articles term. Alongside your articles, there are 4 board exams that you need to pass. These 4 exams can be tough, and I do recommend that you do them all at once. Even if you don't pass them all at once, at least you give them all a crack, and maybe you get through 3, maybe you get through 2. But if you do get through all 4, then kudos to you, and you don't have to sit more exams. Once the exams are complete, you just have to wait out the remainder of your articles period. Once your articles period is done, you have to compile your application to the High Court in order to get admitted. And this process can take up to 4 to 6 months, depending on your proficiency, depending on whether you have errors, depending on whether there's queries on your papers, etc. The rule of thumb is to expect from walking into law school on day one that you will be an admitted attorney 6 to 7 years later, depending on what route you take. So it is a long process, and there are a lot of hurdles and encounters and exams that you have to pass and get through and grow through in order to get there. But it's possible, and so many people have done it before you, and you just have to get through it all, get to the end, because the light at the end of the tunnel is bright and the career trajectories are an upward slope.